Hi everyone, welcome to Nuclei online classes. This is Rajashekar Reddy, Mathematics faculty. Now we are going to discuss about polynomials, which is very important chapter in grade 10. Polynomials. First, definition of polynomial. Very simple definition. It is a combination of terms and it has non-negative integer exponent. Polynomial consists of combination of terms and non-negative integer exponents. For example, 3x square minus 2x plus 5. This is a polynomial. How can we say this is polynomial? Here there are three terms, and see here power of variable 2, here power of variable nothing but 1, and here 5 you can write as 5 into x power 0. So 2, 1, 0, non-negative integer exponents. You can say it polynomial. Suppose 3x power minus 5 plus 2. This is not a polynomial because here the power is negative integer. This is not a polynomial. Next, I'll write 3x power minus 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 2x. See, this is also not a polynomial because here the power of variable is fraction. It is a rational number. So here non-negative integer should be there. So this is the polynomial. This is not a polynomial. This is also not a polynomial. Okay. Next, degree of polynomial. One question, find the degree of 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus x power 5 minus 2. The question is find the degree of a polynomial of 3x power 4 minus 5x cube plus x power 5 minus 2. Here in this term the power is 4. In this term the power of variable is 3. In this term the power of variable is 5. Here there is no variable, you can write as x power 0. So now you can get in this term the power is 0. Now in this all the powers, which one is the highest? 5. So 5 is the answer, degree of polynomial. So the highest power in the term, the highest power of variable in the term is nothing but degree of polynomial. One more question, find the degree of 3x power 5 y power 2 minus 2x cube y plus 5. See, I used here two variables x and y. So this is the polynomial in two variables. In this term here power 5, here power 2, power of variables. So total 7. In this term power of x is 3, power of y is 1. So total 4. In this term you can take it as x power 0. So power of variable is 0. Now the highest is 7. 7 is the degree of this polynomial. Okay. Next, types of polynomial. Types of polynomial based on its degree. First one, linear polynomial, and second one, quadratic polynomial, next cubic polynomial, next biquadratic polynomial. Here linear polynomial is nothing but degree should be 1. Degree should be 1. For example, 2x plus 3. See here, highest power is 1. So the degree of polynomial 2x plus 3 is 1. You can call 2x plus 3 is a linear polynomial. If degree is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. For example, 2x square minus 4x plus 5. See here, highest power is 2. So degree is 2. You can call it quadratic polynomial. If degree is 3, that is cubic polynomial of 4x cube minus 3x square plus 5. See here, highest power 3. So you can call it cubic polynomial. The same like that, if degree is 4, you can call it biquadratic polynomial. 3x power 4 plus 5. See, I have written one polynomial here, degree is 4. So this is biquadratic polynomial. Then from degree 5, 6, from that you can call 5th degree polynomial, 6th degree polynomial, 7th degree polynomial, like that. This is about degree of polynomial and types. Next, value of the polynomial. This is very easy, value of the polynomial. Now the question is, find the value of the polynomial 4x cube minus 2x plus 1 at x is equal to 1. Find the value of the polynomial 4x cube minus 2x plus 1 at x is equal to 1. The solution is, whatever polynomial is there, that is you can take as p of x or f of x also you can take. The polynomial is 4x cube minus 2x plus 1. Now here x value is 1. Substitute the value 1 in place of x. 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 plus 1. 1 cube, 1 into 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 1, finally 3. So the value of polynomial of 4x cube minus 2x plus 1 at x is equal to 1 is 3. Okay. So this is about value of polynomial. Next, 0 polynomial. And one more, 0 of the polynomial. See here, lot of difference is there. 0 polynomial means all the coefficients must be 0. 0 into x square plus 0 into x, even though constant also 0. So the result is 0. If all the coefficients, if you write 0, all the terms will be 0. If constant also 0, then finally it is 0. So 0 polynomial is nothing but 0. 0 of the polynomial is, suppose the polynomial x plus 1 is there. What is x value? Means what we have to write in place of x to get the result 0. Nothing but minus 1. So if you write x is minus 1, then minus 1 plus 1 become 0. So minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial x plus 1. Okay. Suppose x minus 2. What is the 0 of polynomial x minus 2? Simple, plus 2. Plus 2 is the answer. If you write in place of x plus 2 minus 2 become 0. Here I have given simple polynomial, so we can find easily. Sometimes find the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5 is sorry 2x plus 5. Find the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5. So here we need to find out x value. In place of x, what we have to write to get the total result 0? Simple. Whatever given the polynomial, make it equal to 0 starting only. Then polynomial is 2x plus 5, then that is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 5, then x equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 5. Okay. So 0 polynomial is nothing but 0. 0 of the polynomial, this is the process. Next. Sometimes in the question itself they will give on value of variable. Suppose x equal to 2 and one polynomial x square minus 4. The question is check whether x equal to 2 or check this 2 is 0 of the polynomial of x square minus 4 or not. Check whether 2 is 0 of polynomial x square minus 4 or not. Okay. Now simple, just if you substitute in place of x, your x value 2, if you substitute it become 2 square minus 4. So 4 minus 4. Now we are getting the result 0. If you get the result is 0, then x equal to 2 is a solution of this polynomial, or x is equal to 2 is 0 of this polynomial. Okay. So like that, just whatever value is there, we have to substitute and we need to verify whether 0 or not the result. Next, let us discuss about quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a not equal to 0. If a is 0, then x square term will not be there. So it becomes linear polynomial. So a should not be 0. A, b and c are real numbers. Here variable is x. A is x square coefficient, b is x coefficient, c is some constant. Okay. Next. So if you find the solutions of quadratic polynomial, we can get two solutions, nothing but you can call it two zeros. Suppose if you take one is alpha and another one is beta. Alpha and beta are two zeros of this quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Then alpha plus beta, nothing but sum of zeros, is equal to minus b by a. B is what here? X coefficient. So negative of x coefficient divided by x square coefficient. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. Product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Constant by x square coefficient. Sum of zeros minus b by a. Product of zeros c by a. Okay. Next, let us solve some problems based on this. See, here there is a problem. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square plus x minus 6 and verify the relationship between its zeros and their coefficients. First, let us find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. So the solution is x square plus x minus 6. So this is the given polynomial in the variable x. So I'll use factorization method to find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. You can use factorization method or completing square method, or by quadratic formula method also you can solve. So now I use quadratic formula, quadratic factorization method. X square, here product minus 6 should come. So x you have to take into two terms. So one is 3x, another one take minus 2x, because here x square coefficient 1, constant minus 6. If you multiply 1 and minus 6, the result is minus 6. Whatever numbers you take here, the product should be minus 6. So 3 and minus 2, if you take, the product is minus 6. 3 minus 2 nothing but plus x. So we are not changing anything, just in place of x we are writing 3x minus 2x minus 6 as it is. Now first two terms take x out, remaining x plus 3 will be there. Next two terms take minus 2 out, x plus 3 will be there. Now x plus 3 is one factor, x minus 2 is one factor. Now here if x plus 3 is the factor, then x value is minus 3, because minus 3 plus 3 becomes 0. Here minus 2 is there, x value plus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 becomes 0. Okay. So this is just find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Two zeros we got. You can take one is alpha and another one is beta. Now verify the relationship between its zeros and their coefficient. So we have to verify. Alpha plus beta, I told already, minus b by a. Now see, alpha plus beta minus 3 plus 2, it becomes minus 1. Here minus b, what is the b here? X coefficient plus 1 divided by a, x square coefficient a, 1, see, equal to minus 1. Okay, alpha plus beta, whatever zeros we got, sum of zeros, and that is equal to minus b by a. Next, alpha into beta, if you take, I told already, it is c by a. Let us check. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to, we can get here minus 6. Now c by a, here what is c value? Minus 6, and a value 1 is equal to minus 6. See, here also we got minus 6 and minus 6. This is the verification of relationship between its zeros and their coefficient. Okay. Next, one more question. The quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 3 by 5 and minus 1 by 2. Here already they have given zeros. Alpha value 3 by 5 and beta value minus 1 by 2. Already they have given the zeros. So we need to write the quadratic polynomial. What is the quadratic polynomial? So here there is a short form, x square, x take as a variable, minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Nothing but x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So take this condition, x square minus alpha plus beta 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 2 into x plus alpha into beta 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 2. Let us simplify this. X square minus LCM you can take as a 10. Here what you will get? 6. Here minus 5 into x plus minus 3 by 10. X square, 6 minus 5, 1. So minus x by 10 plus into minus, minus 3 by 10. So here denominator is 10. Multiply complete quadratic polynomial with 10. You can get 10x square minus x minus 3. So this is the required quadratic polynomial. So whenever they give some zeros, we need to write the quadratic polynomial by taking this condition. Okay. Next, see here there is one more question. Find the quadratic polynomial the sum and product of whose zeros are -1 and 1/4 respectively. Here already sum of the zeros and product of zeros they have given. So alpha plus beta equal to -1, alpha into beta equal to 1/4. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. X square minus alpha plus beta -1 into x plus alpha into beta 1/4. X square minus into minus plus 1 into x. So finally plus x plus 1/4. So here denominator is 4, right? You can write 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So this is the required quadratic polynomial when they give sum and product of zeros. To find the quadratic polynomial, follow this condition. Okay. This is about quadratic polynomial and some problems. We can discuss some more problems in next class. Thank you.